Hello, everyone, and welcome to part 1 of our English conversation series. In this lesson, we will learn 50 important English phrases that you can use in your daily life. Each phrase includes a natural reply, clear pronunciation, and Arabic translation to help you speak English more naturally and confidently. Just listen, repeat, and practice with me. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you.
How's it going? How's it going?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in London. I live in London.
Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive a car. Yes, I can drive a car.
May I ask you a question? May I ask you a question?
Yes, go ahead. Yes, go ahead.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza.
What's the matter? What's the matter?
I have a headache. I have a headache.
What day is it today? What day is it today?
It's Monday. It's Monday.
What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. I like pop music.
What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink?
Coffee, please. Coffee, please.
Do you like sports? Do you like sports?
Yes, I love football. Yes, I love football.
What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is the dolphin. My favorite animal is the dolphin.
How do you go to work? How do you go to work?
I go to work by car. I go to work by car.
What happened? What happened?
Nothing serious. Nothing serious.
I didn't catch that. I didn't catch that.
Let me say it again. Let me say it again.
What are you doing today? What are you doing today?
I am practicing English. I am practicing English.
Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom?
It's down the hall on the left. It's down the hall on the left.
What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic. My favorite movie is Titanic.
Do you exercise? Do you exercise?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Can I help you? Can I help you?
No, thank you. No, thank you.
What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading books. I enjoy reading books.
Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking simple meals. Yes, I enjoy cooking simple meals.
Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand?
Sure. What do you need? Sure. What do you need?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
What time is it now? What time is it now?
It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Maria. My name is Maria.
What time does the supermarket close? What time does the supermarket close?
It closes at 11 p.m. It closes at 11 p.m.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
See you soon. See you soon.
What is your favorite season? What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer. My favorite season is summer.
Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat.
How much does it cost? How much does it cost?
It's $50. It's $50.
What do you need? What do you need?
I need some water. I need some water.
What are you afraid of? What are you afraid of?
I'm afraid of snakes. I'm afraid of snakes.
What makes you happy? What makes you happy?
Spending time with my family does. Spending time with my family does.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from England. I'm from England.
How do I get to the train station? How do I get to the train station?
Go straight and then turn right. Go straight and then turn right.
What do you think? What do you think?
That sounds great. That sounds great.
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Which country would you like to visit? Which country would you like to visit?
I would like to visit Japan. I would like to visit Japan.
How would you like to pay? How would you like to pay?
I'd like to pay by cash. I'd like to pay by cash.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
See you. See you.
Could you show me the way? Could you show me the way?
Certainly. Certainly.
Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone?
Sure. Here you are. Sure. Here you are.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 30 years old. I'm 30 years old.
Can you speak more slowly, please? Can you speak more slowly, please?
Sure. Sure.
I can't wait. I can't wait.
Me neither. Me neither.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Thanks. Have a nice day too. Thanks. Have a nice day too.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you later. Goodbye. See you later.
How does it taste? How does it taste?
It's delicious. It's delicious.
Have a safe trip. Have a safe trip.
Thanks. Thanks.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.